y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I figured I would take a quick video of this and show you guys what I'm up to today while I'm thinking about it, because I think some of you might have the same problem that I'm having with this camper, so I wanted to share it with you. So let me show you. So along your edges, if you see, somebody put a lot of caulking on this. Now I've already taken this whole thing off. You basically just undo the screws from the top to the bottom, take it off, clean it out, put some new butyl tape on it, and then you can put it back. But after, I still have all of this like nasty caulk, and I want to put some fresh caulk on it. So I was messing around with my rubber wheel. I figured out this worked really well. I'm going to try to show you with one hand. But basically, get your rubber wheel and run it along the edge. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but I'll get the gist of it. And it just kind of cleans it up. And you can kind of go back and, you know, get the spots over here, but it cleans it up. And I would even do this side right here. And you see how it just comes off really easily with that rubber wheel. So that right there is almost perfect. And I can just run a new bead of silicone right down here and all the way up to the top, down to the bottom. And that just kind of gives it a nice clean edge, and you don't see, you know, all of the nasty spots that kind of look like this, and it doesn't look very appealing. So just thought I would share it with you guys. Hope you're having a great weekend.